amigos! Welcome to Tito Time! Today we will be celebrating Cinco de Mayo with a special recipe. This is one of my favorite snacks ever. Today we will be making guacamole! To make this delicious and very nutritious recipe, we're going to need your help. Are you ready to help us?
Yes!
Yay! Tito, you have no idea how excited I am to celebrate Cinco de Mayo and make guacamole. I am also excited to hear the story about Cinco de Mayo. Can you tell me and our friends this story before we get started? Of course! Cinco de Mayo in Spanish actually means May 5th. A long time ago, on May 5th, 1862, there was a battle in the state of Puebla, Mexico. The Mexicans had a battle with the French army. The Mexican army won that battle. The news of the Mexicans winning the Battle of Puebla spread all over the place. And ever since that date, a lot of people like to celebrate Cinco de Mayo to honor Mexican culture and heritage. Oh, what an interesting story, right? Are we ready to make guacamole now? Yes! Yay! Let's go! Cooking with Tito. Welcome to our section, Cooking with Tito. Here we have the ingredients. The main ingredient for guacamole is avocado. Avocados are actually a food from Puebla, Mexico, where the Cinco de Mayo battle happened. Then we have tomatoes, onion, cilantro, lime juice, and salt and pepper to taste. First, we need to make sure that our avocados are ripe, not too soft and not too hard. Mr. Funny, can you help us check if the avocados are ripe? Let's take a look. They feel not too hard and not too soft. Let's cut it open to make sure that they are also good on the inside. Look, there's a seed inside. That means avocados are fruits. Look at that beautiful color. Can you let me know with a thumbs up if this avocado looks ripe? Yes, I think so too. Thank you, amigo. Tito, the avocados are perfect. Very good. Now we need to mash the avocado with this fork. You can help us mash the avocados by saying mash, mash, mash. What is the next step, Tito? Now, we just need to add the rest of the ingredients one by one and mix. Can you help us mix these ingredients? You can say mix, mix, mix. That guacamole was super tasty.
Oh, yes.
Did you know that avocados are a superfood?
Oh, really? Does that mean that they can fly?
No, Mr. Funny. A superfood is a food that is so rich in nutrients that it can help your body in so many ways. I guess we could say that superfoods make your body strong like a superhero. For example, avocados have a lot of vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats in them. Healthy fats help your brain, they help your heart, they give you energy, and so many more things.
That is good to know. Avocados, besides being super delicious, they are very healthy. Tito, how do you say avocado in Spanish?
Avocado in Spanish is aguacate. Can you say aguacate? Perfect!
We learned so many cool things today. We learned about Cinco de Mayo. We learned that avocados are from Puebla, Mexico, and that they are super healthy.
Yes! We also learned how to make guacamole and how to say avocado in Spanish.
Yes, aguacate.
Very good, Mr. Funny. Looks like we are ready for our fiesta!
Yes, let's celebrate!
Yay! Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to click the button with the thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, like this, so you don't miss any of our videos. See you next time. Adios, amigos.